Hello, I'm Tom.
Hello, I'm Joy.
Let's go to the jungle.
Let's do the Taekwondo mission there.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
Ha!
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 Taekwondo mission in the jungle.
Wow! We are in the jungle.
This is our Taekwondo mission.
Let's start the Taekwondo training.
Tom and Joy go into the jungle. In the jungle, there are many animals.
Look over there. What is that?
That is very long.
Huh? That is a long snake.
So, what do we have to do?
Jump! 2 snakes. Jump, 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 jump. Yeah!
We did it!
Tom and Joy pass the snake mission. They walk along the path again. Tom and Joy go into the dark jungle. Suddenly, a big bird flies to them.
Look, a big bird is flying over.
That is a giant eagle.
So, what do we have to do?
Duck!
Duck! Duck!
The eagle flies away.
The eagle is very giant.
Right. Let's keep going.
Yeah! We did it!
Tom and Joy pass the eagle mission. They go into the dark jungle. Suddenly, they meet a huge thing.
Ouch!
Watch out!
It looks like a rock. It is a huge bear.
I'm your trainer. Show me your Taekwondo skills.
So, what do we have to do?
Punch! Punch!
Punch! Punch!
Good job.
Yeah!
We did it!
Tom and Joy pass the bear mission. They go into the dark, dark jungle.
Oh no! Look on the rock!
It is the king of the jungle.
Ha ha ha. I'm your trainer. Show me your Taekwondo skills.
So, what do we have to do?
Kick! Kick!
Kick! Kick!
Great.
Yeah! We did it!
Tom and Joy pass the lion mission. Now, final mission.
Yeah!
Show all your Taekwondo skills.
I'll go first. Jump! Duck! Punch! Punch! Kick! Kick!
Now it's my turn. Jump! Duck! Punch! Punch! Kick! Kick!
Yeah, we did
it!
The jungle was very fun.
Now we are little masters. Yay!